Which donkey told you not to get camera?
Hello, Scout Boys. Come out. Anything. Sir, as you are talking, then.
All the audience have come. All even in Tripura. One was missing it.
अशोक अशोक अब एक फोटो लेना चाहते हैं। हमारे ब्लॉक प्रेसिडेंट है कांग्रेस के गांधीनगर के बताओ चल मैं कहता हूँ
Welcome, Wali sir.
Oh, no, I should have.
This is my function. Sir, I must be here to welcome you.
ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಾನವ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಸಚಿವರಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ವೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಇದೀಗ ಆಗಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. राष्ट्रीय युवा समारोह में के मुख्यमंत्री सन्मान्य श्री एम वीरप्पा मोइली जी, भारत सरकार के युवा कार्यक्रम एवं के विभाग के सचिव श्री वी.एन. भागवत, कृषि विभाग के संयुक्त सचिव श्री कुरैशी जी, कर्नाटक सरकार के युवा कार्यक्रम एवं के विभाग के सचिव श्री चिरंजीव सिंह, नेहरू युवा केंद्र संगठन के उपाध्यक्ष श्री रुद्रांश शर्मा और महानिदेशक डॉक्टर नंदिनी नजार, उन सबका आदरपूर्वक स्वागत है. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I extend you all a hearty welcome to the National Day celebration, which is being held in the garden city of Kars. Shri Arjun Singh, the Honorable Central Minister for Human Resources Development, is with us today. Your presence has accentuated the grandeur of this youth festival itself. Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Shri Virappam Moily, an embodiment of personal integrity and public probity, is also with us. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our distinguished guest. Flowers play a significant role in Indian social life. Apart from their fragrance, साल की छुट्टियों में सारे देश का भ्रमण करते हुए देश तथा जनता को समझने का प्रयत्न किया. संत्रस्त लोगों को देखकर यह निर्णय किया कि उनकी घटनाओं इसलिए कि 1893 में स्वामी जी ने हमारे देश के प्रतिनिधि बनकर पाश्चात्य जनमानस के सम्मुख अमेरिका के शिकागो नगर में सर्वधर्म संसद में भारत माता की महत्ता का काम किया था. Among the celebrated saints of modern India, Swami Vivekananda was indisputably the most outstanding. The highly radical and revolutionary ideas preached and propagated by this gallant visionary had their impact all over the entire universe. It is only in the fingers of things that the birthday of this legendary Indian saint and patriarch is celebrated as the National Youth Day all over the country with great fanfare. Jyoti Belegi, ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಶುಭ ಸಮಾರಂಭವನ್ನು ಶುಭಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡುವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸತ್ಸಂಪ್ರದಾಯ. ದೇಶದ ಉತ್ತರ, ದಕ್ಷಿಣ, ಪೂರ್ವ, ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಈ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ದೀಪವನ್ನು ಬೆಳಗಿಸುವುದು ಅತ್ಯಂತ ಯಥೋಚಿತವಾಗಿದೆ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗಿ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಶುಭಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಕೋರುತ್ತೇನೆ. राष्ट्रीय सद्भावना स्कूटर सफारी के नेहरू युवा केंद्र संगठन के सदस्य 17,000 प्रमुख धर्म क्षेत्रों का भ्रमण कर अपने साथ लाए हैं भारत परिक्रमा ज्योति. उत्तर, दक्षिण, पूर्व, पश्चिम व पूर्वी उत्तर भारत के युवा इस ज्योति को नेहरू युवा केंद्र संगठन के महानिदेशक डॉक्टर नंदिनी अदास को प्रदान करेंगे और इसी ज्योत से ज्योति जलाकर मुख्य अतिथि व मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री महोदय श्री अर्जुन सिंह जी इस समारोह का उद्घाटन करेंगे.
Lighting the lamp signifies the auspicious beginning of any happy occasion. It is very appropriate that the inaugural lamp is being lit with Bharat Parikrama Jyoti, carried and brought by the participants of the Chaitanya Sadbhavana Sutra Safari of National Yoga Kendra. The annual Youth Day celebration is a natural and spontaneous manifestation of their unqualified zest and enthusiasm.
I can't light a lighted lamp.
Thank you very much, sir.
ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ರವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ವೀರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿ ರವರೇ, ಭಾರತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ಯುವಜನ ಸೇವೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ರೀಡಾ ಇಲಾಖೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ಭಾಗವತ್ ರವರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ಉದಯನ್ ಶರ್ಮಾ ರವರೇ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಆಜಾದ್ ರವರೇ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀಮಾನ್ ಖುರೇಶಿ ಅವರೇ, कर्नाटक सरकाರದ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ये समारोह पहली बार दिल्ली से बाहर यहाँ हो रहा है और ये मुनासिब है कि बेंगलुरु में हो रहा है, क्योंकि जवान लोगों के दिलों की धड़कन की तरह इस शहर की धड़कन भी जवान है। की तरफ से और कर्नाटक सरकार की तरफ से मैं एक दफा फिर स्वागत कहता हूँ। A very warm welcome to you all. Thank you.
ಮತ್ತು ಧೀಮಂತ ನಾಯಕರು ಆದಂಥ ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರೇ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ ವಾರ್ತಾ ಪ್ರವಾಸೋದ್ಯಮ ಮತ್ತು ಜವಾಹರ್ ಯುವ ಸಂಘಟನಾ ಇದರ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದಂಥ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಆಜಾದ್ ಅವರೇ, ಈ ಸಂಘಟನೆಯ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳೇ, ದೇಶದ ಮೂಲೆ ಮೂಲೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾರತದ ಯುವ ಜನಾಂಗವನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿಸಿರುವ ನನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಪ್ರತಿನಿಧಿ ಸಹೋದರ ಸಹೋದರಿಯರೇ, ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ ಮತ್ತು ಭಗಿನಿಯರೇ, ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರ ಜನ್ಮ ದಿವಸ ಇವತ್ತು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಯುವಜನ ದಿವಸವನ್ನ ಅದ್ವಿತೀಯ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದರು ಅವರೊಂದು ಮಾತು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದೇನಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ, ನಮಗಿಂದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವುದು ಪುರುಷ ಸಿಂಹಗಳು. ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ said, what we require today is the lions in the youth. ಬಲಿಷ್ಠರು, ಕೆಚ್ಚೆದೆಯುಳ್ಳವರು, ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾಂತರು, ಕಡು ಸ್ಥೈರ್ಯವುಳ್ಳ ಯುವಜನರು ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Who can definitely give a lead to this country at a time when the nation is in the crossroads. We also said, from the farmer who holds the yoke from the cottagers, the country should emerge. ಬೆಸ್ತರು, ಚಮ್ಮಾರರು, ಜಾಡಮಾಳಿಗಳ ಜೋಪಡಿಗಳಿಂದ the country should emerge from the cottages of a fisherman, Chammara, the person who is a cobbler, and also the person, the Jadamali, the person who, the sweeps, the streets, that is the kind of a nation which should be born and it should re-emerge. Kirani Angali from the petty shops and should re-emerge. He also said that Yaradu Nama Dharma Munde Ulidu Idara Dharma Nashavagalendu Kanasu said that whoever thinks that his religion alone should remain and the rest of the religion should perish. And I have all pity for such persons. This is what is said by Swami Vivekananda. He also said, ಅಲ್ಲದೆ ಅಂತವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಧರ್ಮಧ್ವಜದ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇ ಪ್ರತಿರೋಧವಿದ್ದರೂ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಚಿ ಆದರೆ ಕಾಡದಿರಿ, ಮುಖ್ಯ ಪ್ರವಾಹದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದಾಗಿರಿ ಆದರೆ ನಾಶವಾಗದಿರಿ, ಸಾಮರಸ್ಯ ಶಾಂತಿ ನೆಲೆಸಲಿ, ವೈಷಮ್ಯ ಬೇಡಿ. He has given this kind of integration, the peace, and there should be no hatred whatsoever for any other religion. What are we doing today? Today, we see a situation where the cult of violence, the cult of hatredness is being perpetrated in the secular fabric of this nation. I need not remind you about the great legacy of this nation, which is said not today, which has not come to us, unity of the country. And the people who live in are called the Bharatiyas. What a great concept of a great nation that is cherished by us, by our country. And when the entire world, is groping in dark, in the most uncivilized areas, about 5,000 years back, in spite of different political states, the political kings ruling this country between Kanyakumari and Himalayas, there was a feeling of oneness in the nation, that we belong to one nation. And we have heard civilizations. When the civilization, from an uncivilized state, we gradually, look back, the march we had in 5,000 years. Are we going from the civilized state to the uncivilized state? This is a question which each youth should pose to those persons who want to fragment this country and in the name of religion, in the name of caste, in the name of ethnic groups, and in the name of fundamentalist forces. The youth of this country should stand as a strong and an iron wall to prevent any of these divisive and these various forces. Great historian like Arnold Toynbee said that out of 21 identified civilizations in the world, 19 civilizations have perished, not because of the external aggression or not because of somebody's character of the contemporary period. Are we heading that? If suppose we are heading for that kind of a crisis in character of the nation, with so many ethnic groups, so many languages, cannot survive unless we have the concept of dharma in this great nation, of the variety of culture and the variety of so many varied culture and life. So, I do not want to tell more things, but today, when you are observing a national youth day under the auspices of the Jawahar Sangatana Samiti, it should be our endeavor that we should take a vote to keep our country together and cherish and glorify this great national entity, namely Bharat. I am very proud of all of you, many of the youth who have come and obtained awards for the great endeavor they have done for the national integration in their own sphere, maybe a village, maybe a hamlet. And this has to be, this kind of the great heritage will have to be carried forward. We are all the inheritors of this great culture, of great national entity. I must congratulate Arjun Singh Ji, Human Resource, working the integration in the country, particularly among the youth. After all, Mahatma Gandhi had great hopes. All of us have great hopes in you, and it is you as a great tribe can sustain this great democracy. I am very happy that Arjun Singh Ji has thought of Karnataka, particularly Bangalore, which is a cosmopolitan city, and the Karnataka is a glorious heritage of history, which can provide a great secular foundation for this great democracy. I am told that this is for the first time in the history of Jawahar Sangatana Samiti that such a function award ceremony is held outside New Delhi. I am thankful on behalf of the people of Karnataka that Arjun Singh Ji has thought of Karnataka for granting this award. That means to say, Karnataka will always strengthen the great secular fabric of this country, and the people of Karnataka will always stand by the greatest principles of this country. I wish the Prime Minister of this country, P.V. Narasimha Rao Ji, and also Arjun Singh Ji, a great success, keeping this country together forever, forever. Thank you very much.
ಮಾನ್ಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಯಡಿಯೂರಪ್ಪ ಮೊಯ್ಲಿಯವರಿಗೆ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವೆಯ ಗುರುತರ ಕಾರ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ತೊಡಗಿರುವ ಯುವ ಜನಾಂಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸೂಕ್ತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುತಿಸುವ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಪರ ಹಾಗೂ 10,000 ರೂಗಳ ನಗದು ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗುವುದು. ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಗದು ಬಹುಮಾನ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಾಗಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾರೆ 15 ಜನ ಯುವ ಜನರನ್ನು ಹಾಗೂ ಒಂದು ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಆಯ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನು ವಿತರಿಸಬೇಕೆಂದು
जिन्होंने युवा कार्य अपनी प्रतिभा को उत्तम बनाए और अच्छे नागरिक बने। राष्ट्रीय युवा पुरस्कार प्राप्तकर्ता को एक कलम, सूची पत्र तथा 10,000 रुपए का नगद पुरस्कार और स्वैच्छिक युवा संगठन को 1 लाख रुपए का नगद पुरस्कार दिए जाते हैं। इस साल के पुरस्कारों के लिए 15 युवाओं तथा 1 स्वैच्छिक संगठन को चुना गया है। मुख्य अतिथि श्री अर्जुन सिंह जी से
Leave some space for the awardee though. Yeah. Please have to move that side. One second. Boss. Please.
The National Youth Awards 91-92. Sri Abdul Samad, Guntur, Andhra Pradesh. The Economic Relief and Development Program. Sri Abdul Samad is the key promoter of national values and the development of women. Sri Abdul Samad.
Sri Abdul Samad, Grameen ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಪರಿಹಾರ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಮೂಲಕ ಸಮಾಜದ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಮೌಲ್ಯಗಳ ಉನ್ನತಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವನ್ನೇ ಮುಡಿಪಾಗಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sri Twinkle Singh Bindra, Ashram, New Delhi. Sri Tinkle Singh Bindra has done a commendable job in the sphere of functional literacy in other poor families. Mr. Bindra is a shining example of a highly motivated youth worker. Mr. Bindra.
ಸಾಕ್ಷರತಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಟಿಂಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಂದ್ರಾ ಅವರು ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತ ಹೆಸರು. ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಹಾಗೂ ಕೊಳಚೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶಗಳ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ನಿಷ್ಠೆಯಿಂದ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತರು ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಐಕ್ಯತಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ರೂಪಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರೈತ ಮತ್ತು ಬಡ ಜನತೆಗಾಗಿ ಸದಾ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಆದರ್ಶ ಯುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು ಶ್ರೀ ಟಿಂಕಲ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಂದ್ರಾ.
Sri Mahesh Mahalingam, Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Sri Mahesh Mahalingam, an active and socially motivated volunteer of the National Service Scheme, has made great blood donation and free medical checkup camps. Recently, he played a leading role in the university's Talk on AIDS program, conducted in 59 universities, involving around 1 lakh NSS volunteers and students. Sri Mahesh Mahalingam.
ಎನ್ಎಸ್ಎಸ್ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರಾಗಿ ಚಿರಪರಿಚಿತರು ಶ್ರೀ ಮಹೇಶ್ ಮಹಾಲಿಂಗಂ. ಕುಷ್ಠರೋಗ
Sri Babubhai Parki, Sankrampur, Gujarat. Sri Parjan social worker, he has dedicated his life to providing for the basic needs of the community. Sri Parki.
ಗುಜರಾತದ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಜನಾಂಗ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗಗಳ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಪರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ನಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕರು.
Sri Nakib Ahmad UK, Karwar, Karnataka. Sri Nakib Ahmad, an ardent believer in communal harmony and national integration, promoted and established harmonious relationships among the people of Karwar. He has tirelessly organized free health, eye and family planning camps in rural and urban areas. He has helped in the improvement of scheduled caste and scheduled tribe colonies by providing them with basic civic amenities. He has also helped in providing shelter and basic education to tribal people. Mr. Sheikh.
ಕೋಮು ಸೌಹಾರ್ದ ಹಾಗೂ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಐಕ್ಯತೆಯ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಿರತರು ಕಾರವಾರದ ಶ್ರೀ ನಜೀರ್ ಅಹಮದ್ ಅವರು. ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಹಾಗೂ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಜನತೆಯ ಮೂಲಭೂತ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆಗಳಿಗಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಇವರು ನಿಷ್ಠಾವಂತ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಕರು.
Ms. Vishalakshi S. Yadwar, Athani, Belgaum District, Karnataka. Ms. Vishalakshi Yadwar has opinion on many issues like consumer protection, national integration, cultural heritage, women and child development, environment protection. Being a spokesperson herself, her role in promotion of sports among women and children has been commendable. Ms. Yadwar.
ಹಲವಾರು ಯುವ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಂಡು ಸಾಕ್ಷರತೆ, ಮಹಿಳಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ, ಪರಿಸರ ಸಂರಕ್ಷಣೆಗಳಂತ ಸಮಾಜ ಸೇವಾ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಥಣಿಯ ಕುಮಾರಿ ವಿಶಾಲಾಕ್ಷಿ ಎಸ್ ಯಾದವಾಡ.
Himmat Lal Hira Lal Fardi, Bandara District, Maharashtra. Sri Himmat Lal Hira Lal Fardi is an enthusiastic and energetic youth activist who has been work-relating constructive and creative ideas and action programs. He has been deeply in favor of youth in his district. Mr. Paradi.
Best.
Sri Sudhir Sabat, Purushothampur, Ganjam District, Odisha. Sri Sudhir Sabat initiated his contribution in social service early, starting his work with the Nehru Youth Work for more than a decade. In these years, he has been an active NSS volunteer and has been bestowed with many honors, including the Punjab State Award, Shahid-e-Azam Bhagat Singh Award. The gamut of Sri Pawar's activities include the establishment of youth clubs in several villages, promotion of
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಘದ ಸಕ್ರಿಯ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಕರು. ಸುಮಾರು 12 ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಗೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕಾಲ ಯುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ತಮ್ಮನ್ನು ತೊಡಗಿಸಿಕೊಂಡವರು. ಶ್ರೀಪದ ಸಮಾಜ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರು.
Sri Jagmal Gurjar, Tilonia, Ajmer District, Rajasthan. Sri Jagmal Gurjar a dedicated active social worker, has done a remarkable job in the National Literacy Program. He has mobilized people for Shramdaan and spearheaded the movement against untouchability in the villages. Sri Gurjar is today an opinion leader and a vital source of information to the villages about the state and central government schemes. Sri Gurjar.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸಾಕ್ಷರತಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಣನೀಯ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತರು ದುರ್ಬಲ ವರ್ಗದವರ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ಅವಿರತವಾಗಿ ಶ್ರಮಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಶ್ರೀ ಜಯಮಲ್ ಗುರ್ಜರ್.
Sri Vishnupada Chakrabarti, Chaya Dehradun. Sri Jagdish Babla has dedicated his life to full-time service for the welfare of poor and needy. His selfless work to help the earthquake victims has made him a champion of the people of the area. He has rendered valuable service through the medium of art, literacy, national integration and tree plantation. Sri Jagdish Babla.
ದೀನ ದಲಿತರ ಶ್ರೇಯೋಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಸಮರ್ಪಣಾ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವವರು ಶ್ರೀ ಜಗದೀಶ್ ಬಾಬ್ಲಾ.
Sri Harish Chandra Verma, Gangapur, Varanasi district, Varanasi. Sri Harish Chandra Verma has dedicated himself to the cause of the development of rural youth. He has organized a number of youth conferences, blood donation camps and programs, protection of the environment, as well as creation of awareness towards small things. Sri Harish Chandra Verma.
ಯುವ ಸಮ್ಮೇಳನಗಳು, ರಕ್ತದಾನ ಶಿಬಿರಗಳು, ಸಾಹಸ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು, ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಸದ್ಭಾವನಾ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಗಳನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀಯುತರು ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಉಳಿತಾಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳತ್ತ ಜಾಗೃತಿ ಮೂಡಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sri Dev Kumar Chatterjee, District Howrah, West Bengal. Committed to rural development, Sri Chatterjee has rendered valuable service to the youth of the development of localized development alternatives like fisheries and small-scale industries. Sri Chatterjee.
ಮೀನುಗಾರಿಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸಣ್ಣ ಪ್ರಮಾಣದ ಕೈಗಾರಿಕೆಗಳಂತಹ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪರ ಚಟುವಟಿಕೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಗಮನಾರ್ಹ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ನೀಡಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ದೇವ್ಕುಮಾರ್ ಚಟರ್ಜಿ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯ ಬಗೆಗೆ ಅಪಾರ ಕಾಳಜಿ ಹೊಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
And now, the award to the eminent youth movement, North Bengal Coast, Mysore District, Karnataka.
Come here.
Swami Vivekanand Movement, a voluntary organization of young people, has been working in the field of tribal and community development since 1984. Its basic commitment is towards empowering the deprived sections of society for social and economic justice. Through constructive channelization of youth energy, the organization has brought health and education activities to the doorsteps of the poor. It has organized a series of blood donation, free healthcare, family planning, child care and drug de-addiction programs, in addition to establishing a 10-bedded hospital for rural people. The organization's contribution in the field of literacy, environment preservation, improved agricultural practices and preservation of food culture has been appreciated. This movement today is a resource pool of committed youth engaged in furtherance of nationally accepted goals and ideals. Give them a big hand.
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ವಿವೇಕಾನಂದ ಅಲ್ಬರ್ಟನ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿಯೂ 1984ರಿಂದ ಬುಡಕಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮುದಾಯದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸ್ವಯಂ ಸೇವಾ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಾಲಸುಬ್ರಹ್ಮಣ್ಯಂ ಈ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
The Nehru Yuva Kendra Sangathan Award will be awarded for the first time on this platform to the outstanding Nehru Yuva Kendra and the youth coordinator. Coordinator award of rupees 3,000 each will be awarded to the best Kendra and the best youth coordinator. One rupees and rupees 5,000 for the youth coordinator. The award money would go to the Kendra and will be utilized for conducting more programs, activities and innovative ideas. Sri Gautam Sen is the best youth coordinator and the best Kendra in the East Zone. Sri Gautam is successfully undertaking and organizing NYK programs. He has been responsible for adding to the community asset in a remarkable way by helping to provide nearly 150 common latrines, culverts and renovating a number of tribal houses. Sri Gautam Sen.
ಶ್ರೀ ಗೌತಮ್ ಸೇನ್ ಪಶ್ಚಿಮ ಬಂಗಾಳದ ಯುವ ಸಮನ್ವಯಾಧಿಕಾರಿಯಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೌತಮ್ ಸೇನ್ ಅವರು ನೆಹರು ಯುವ ಕೇಂದ್ರದ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಏರ್ಪಡಿಸಿ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ಸೇವೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
In the West Zone, Dr. M.C. Agarwal Youth Coordinator Nehru Yuva Kendra Betul in Madhya Pradesh by organizing 27 vocational centers for young men and women. He could also organize literacy programs without any funds from the district of Betul. Dr. Agarwal is himself a people's theatre activist using the medium of theatre for promoting activism among youth. With the coordination of the Khadi Federation, Dr. Agarwal.
Dr. N.P. Agarwal. ವೃತ್ತಿ ತರಬೇತಿ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಸಾಧಾರಣ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿರುವುದಲ್ಲದೆ ಅನೇಕ ಸಮಾಜ ಸುಧಾರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
For the North Zone, we have Sri Sudarshan Singh, District Youth Coordinator. He has mobilized relief materials for the victims of natural calamities. Sri Singh has also been awarded with the Punjab Sarkar Praman Patra in the year 1991 for his remarkable work in the field of social service. Sri Sudarshan Singh.
ಶ್ರೀ ಸುದರ್ಶನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಯುವ ಕ್ಲಬ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಚಾಲನೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಅನೇಕ ರಚನಾತ್ಮಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
For the South Zone, we have Sri Chintaya Pokal, the youth coordinator of Vijayanagaram, who wins the award. Sri Chintaya Pokal has done outstanding work in conducting vocational training, district sports, cultural programs, training programs, and organizing blood donation camps, immunization camps, training for rural youth in self-employment, and most importantly, training programs for entry of youth into armed forces. Sri Pokal.
ಶ್ರೀ ಚಿನ್ನದಾತಯ್ಯ ಪೋಕಲ್ ಅವರು ಅನೇಕ ಸಮಾಜ ಸುಧಾರಣಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ನಡೆಸಿ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ಸೇವೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
For the Northeast Zone, we have a representative, L. Chitra Devi, is the youth coordinator from Bishanpur. She was responsible for organizing mulberry tree plantations, which proved very successful in Bishanpur district of Manipur. She arranged training programs in self-employment and other types of training, and has made special efforts to see that women, scheduled castes and scheduled tribes and other marginalized sections are involved in NYK programs.
ಬಿಷನ್ಪುರ್ನ ಎಲ್ ಚಿತ್ರಾದೇವಿ ಅವರು ಸಮಾಜದ ದುರ್ಬಲ ವರ್ಗದ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಏಳಿಗೆಗಾಗಿ ದುಡಿಯುತ್ತಿರುವವರು.
And now for the best Kendra award in the country, we have with us Sri Bhuvanesh Jain, youth coordinator Barmet. Give him a good hand. NYK Barmet, Rajasthan, has been adjudged as the most outstanding Yuva Kendra at the national level, and the youth coordinator has done exemplary work in conducting vocational training, whereby 800 persons could derive benefits. He organized 28 programs for promoting of social reforms like eradication of dowry, untouchability, against child marriages, alcoholism. He has been responsible for organizing 300 literacy programs and making 3,000 persons literate. He has been responsible for adding to community assets such as the construction of 4 block-level community centers for youth, a hospital and a work shed, 3 youth club buildings, digging and repairing 3 village ponds. He has also been responsible for organizing skill development programs, workshop on snake bites, miracles of science, handicaps and design. Thousands of people in the district who derive benefits out of these programs. Sri Bhuvanesh Jain. Give him a big hand.
ಶ್ರೀ ಭುವನೇಶ್ ಜೈನ್ ಅವರು ತಮ್ಮ ಶ್ಲಾಘನೀಯ ಸೇವೆಯಿಂದ ಭಾರತದ ನೆಹರು ಯುವ ಕೇಂದ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಮಟ್ಟದ ಕೀರ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ತಂದುಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Sri Rajiv Gandhi, on the occasion of the International Youth Year in 1985. I would like to congratulate all the awardees for their outstanding contribution to community and youth development, which has merited the award which they have received today. A great son of India, Swami Vivekananda traveled along the lonely paths crisscrossing the country. He became aware that religion which did not instill a sense of social responsibility and accountability was hollow and could only lead to bigotry and laziness. Spiritual enlightenment to him meant acute awareness of inequities under which our fellow citizens live, and attainment of personal enlightenment for him meant struggle against the status quo and to achieve social justice for all. It is this concept that is the true basis of all religions, and it is this essence of integral human consciousness that Swamiji proclaimed in the World Conference of Religion in Chicago in 1893. We celebrate that capital event a century ago as the Rash Chetna Varsh this year, 1993. Swamiji proudly and defiantly proclaimed to the world, and I quote, "I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We accept all religions as true. I am proud to belong to a nation which has sheltered the persecuted and the refugees of all nations on this earth." Unquote. Today, 100 years later, let us put our hands to our hearts and say whether we can repeat these words with the same intensity, feeling and faith. This is the real crisis that humans to achieve power and influence. No wonder that the nation today is witnessing phenomenon who would stop at nothing to achieve their twisted and perverted goals. It is the youth of India which has to once again reaffirm this nation's basic beliefs in truth, justice and tolerance, and hold with courage and conviction the will which alone can save our motherland. The face of Mother India has been traditionally seen as a face portraying serenity, compassion, and all-embracing love. It has never been the face of Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, or any single nation. It has always been the face of an Indian. Humble, yet firm, and free. It is this face of Mother India that has been clouded today.
Sri Azad, who has taken great pains again at doing this function a great success. I did not thank my colleagues, Mr. Qureshi, Mr. Sandhu, and so many others who have really worked very hard to make this a grand success. I do not want to come between you and this culture program is going to follow. It is going to be a immediate experience. Please stand by and enjoy the experience. Thank you very much.
जिसमें सामाजिक समानता
Can you keep it down, sir?